Warning, extreme cuteness ahead. 5 animals doing silly things, viewed at your own joy risk. You won't expect the last one. Number 1. Do you think he's marching or overthinking? Number 2. Not your boring, ordinary capybara. Number 3. I'm not cute, I'm scary. Number 4. Just pay me with treats later. Number 5. She didn't sign up for this. Which one is your favourite? Comment below. Hope this filled your day with smiles. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. More cute videos coming soon.